welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with this particular unwrapping of this WD-M2 locomotive over here. So just few things left, we will just complete it, then we'll start renaming these elements. So the things which are just left out, let's do that first. So I'll just go over here, I'll just go into this and I'll give unwrap UVW. So let's give unwrap UVW. I'll go into this, I'll just select all the polygons over here. I'll go into open UV editor, go into mapping, let's say flatten mapping, go into tools, pack UVs. So select this, again go into this, say unwrap UVW, select the polygons, and go into this, open UV editor, mapping, flatten mapping, go into tools and say pack UVs. So I'll again go into this and this, go into material editor. I'll just try to assign that the checker over here, let's just assign that. So once you're done, I'll just select this whole thing over here, and let's delete it. Just shift and drag, you can just duplicate that like this, and if you want you can just mirror it. I'm sorry, I'll rotate it. So just drag it down. So select the vertices and just drag it down like this. Now once this is done, so now we can start duplicating that. How we can do that is like, let's just delete this, all the elements over here. So we can just start deleting all these elements. So let's just delete all this. Oops, this is just left out. We'll just quickly unwrap this. So let's again go over here, say unwrap UVW. I'll quickly go over here, I'll open UV editor and I'll give a flatten mapping over here as well. So go into tools and say pack UVs, that's it. So go into the material editor, let's assign the material over here as well. So right click and end isolate this again. So there are some elements, there are very tiny elements. If you have forgotten it, we'll just do it quickly over here. So let's again select the whole thing, go into open UV editor, go into mapping and let's give as a flatten mapping, go into tools, say pack UVs, that's it. Alright, so again go into material and I'll just assign this for now. Now let's delete this as well. So I can just shift and drag it again. put it over here, again shift and drag it. Alright, so let's start selecting this. So we'll just select one by one. See, there are a lot of entities which need to take care over here. So I'll just keep on selecting the whole thing. Not this, not this. Select this, this, this. So all these entities will be selecting it. You can just try. Okay, I'll just duplicate this later on. So first I'll see that, hope everything is selected. I'll try to move this out. If anything is left out, okay, this wheels are left out, this is left out. Again I'll see that, okay, this is okay. So this is left out, this is left out, this is left out. These are few of the things which were left out. Again I'll just drag it. Okay, so again select this, again select this. So we'll just make this copies, that's not a problem over here. So it's a very big thing because there are multiple elements we are creating over here. So once this is done, we can move forward over here as well. So just select this. So once we are done, we can just group this elements. So yeah, this is just left. We'll do that quickly over here as well. Okay. So over here and here. So let's just group this. Now I'll again go over here. You can just delete this. If not required, I can just delete all these elements. And let's duplicate it. So we have this. So go over here, let's mirror it, copy it in y-axis, and let's go to the front view, and I'll just place it at the right place. So we can do that. So we have already unwrapped this and we have duplicated this all elements. So let's select this and this. So just select this, let's delete this, select this and this. So I'll just delete that part over here. So again I'll select this, let's delete this as well. So I'll just select this part and this, let's select this as well and mirror it. First I'll group this. So if we group it, that would be much easier. So again make a copy of it. So I can just shuffle it a bit inside. So we got the copy as well over here. So whatever the changes are there, we are going to put those changes. Let's just delete this. Select the wiper. Again go into the unwrap UVW. I'll just give a flatten mapping for now. So let's just go into this, go into mapping, flatten mapping, tools, and say pack UVs over here. So go into the material, assign the material and say and isolate. So I can just delete that. Again I'll select this, copy this, so we can just place it accordingly. Similarly over here as well, okay, we have just copied this. I'll just delete this. I can just take a copy of it. So select this and let's duplicate that over here in this way. So I'll just delete this, again select this, again mirror it, copy this. Alright. So let's select this track part over here. So I'll again go into this and say unwrap UVW, select the polygons. I'll just select this and say quick planar map. Just drag this out. Again quick planar map. Select the edges, say break over here, select this and you can just peel it. So pack UVs as again over here. Again I'll go into this and let's save this file. So go into the material, I'll assign this, so again select this and quick planar map, open UV editor, quick planar map, select the edges, and break it, select the polygons and say peel over here. So again select this, go into tools and say pack UVs, click OK. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll start up with the naming part over here. First we'll duplicate it and we'll start up with the naming part. Then we'll do the rest of the things in the Substance Painter. So thanks for watching this tutorial.